Have you heard of Moringa? It's called the tree of life for a reason. Packed with over 90 nutrients and powerful antioxidants, Moringa supports your immune system, improves digestion, and gives you a natural energy boost without caffeine. It also helps you maintain clear, glowing skin and stronger hair by fighting inflammation from the inside out. And that's not all. Moringa supports your liver and kidneys, helping your body detox and stay balanced. Struggling with joint pain? Moringa's natural anti-inflammatory properties can make a real difference. All of that, in just one capsule a day. Try our extra-strength Moringa Leaf Capsules today, and feel the difference in your energy, skin, and overall health. Click the link and start your natural wellness journey now.